Hello there, guys and gals. Sir Dan is gonna give me another ticket for BBA. Oh my gosh. Thank you for your kindness.
Two days in a row, man.
Oh, wow, yeah. Thank you so much. Guys, Sir Dan. So lucky.
Ibera, today, never.
See that? Lucky as always. Sir Dan, thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you so much for your kindness. Guys!
You're a good friend, that's why.
See that?
Lower box.
Wow! Oh my God, lower box!
VIP.
VIP lower box, oh my gosh! Thank you so much. Lucky as always. Thank you very much. At what time?
Ngayon na.
Okay. So I have to continue guys my stints before I go inside.